Hi students, I'm going to talk about the homework that's due for April 14th. But before I do that, I want to remind you that we now have online tutoring. This is specifically for ESOL students, and the flyer here tells you the time, but this is the same information here. You're going to email Megan Schutte, this is her email address, with the following information, and then you can tell what times work best for you. And I highly recommend that you use this for your writing assignments before you send them to me. You can get, this is free, and you can do it, it's through Zoom, and you can do it at your own convenience. So make an appointment before you send your writing assignments to me to get some help. Okay, then we have 4 homework assignments for April 14th. And so you have the sentence structure practice 1. This is talking about the fragments, the run-on sentences, and the comma splice. Make sure that you review the PowerPoint presentation that is in the course videos first, and also review pages 96 and 97 in Chapter 4 in the textbook. Process order, you're going to work on putting sentences in the correct order for a process. Before you do this, review pages 103 to 105 in your textbook. You have an exercise on time order signals for processes, pages 106 to 107 in your textbook, and you have writing assignment 3, which is a process writing. You must submit to me an outline and a paragraph. Also, do not forget that your midterm is due April 14th if you have not yet completed it. So let's look at the homework. I'm going to come over here. And I have the homework here. And so you have a quiz on sentence structure practice. You'll have to correct the sentences. Process order, you'll have to put the sentences in a logical order. And time order signals for processes. And then you're writing assignment 3. Let's look at what it is. So you're going to write a process paragraph. This is really just one paragraph. Remember, a process tells us how to do something. Our topic will be how to wash your hands properly. Seems easy, huh? But there are actually many steps involved. This is a very good topic right now, given COVID-19. So what you're going to do is you are not just going to write this, you're going to watch this video first. So you're going to watch this 3-minute video, which is going to tell you the proper way on how to wash your hands. This is from the Center of Disease Control of the United States. So it's a 3-minute video, and you're going to take notes and watch it, and then afterwards, use it in your own words. You are going to write a paragraph describing the steps to hand washing. Before you do that, though, you are going to complete this outline here of my process paragraph plan. And this is going to be, you'll say, this is the title of the topic, this is your topic sentence, this process has how many steps, and then you'll write the steps. You might not have 10 steps, I don't know. This is just an outline for you to work with, and then you fill in the concluding statement. And you submit to me both the outline and the paragraph. Now, if you need extra help, remember that under class videos and materials, we do have some things like, here's the sentence structure in PowerPoint. Here's another slideshow on run-ons, comma splice, and sentence fragments, so you can look at these before you do your homework. And then don't forget that you also have to complete your midterm exam. Thank you.